StudyMojo.com.
Okay, we are starting to do problems on this chapter. First question is, do the points 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3 form a triangle. If so, name the type of triangle formed. If so, name the type of triangle formed. The type of triangle formed. This is the question. We are given 3 points, 3, 2, minus 2, minus 3 and 2, 3. We have to check whether these 3 points form a triangle. So, we are drawing a rough figure of a triangle and marking the points. See, we are naming it as A, B and C. Mark the point coordinates A as 3, 2, A, 3, 2, B, minus 2, minus 3 or C, this is minus 2, minus 3 and this is 2, 3. We are taking 3 points. Now we are finding the length of 3 sides. First of all, we are finding AB. The distance AB is equal to, first of all, we have to write the formula and then give values. The formula for finding the distance is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. We are giving values. It is 3 minus 2 the whole square. 3 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 the whole square. This is equal to root of 3 minus 2 is 1 square plus 2 minus 3 it is minus 1 square. 1 square is equal to 1 and minus 1 square also equal to 1. So we are getting the length of AB as root 2 units. The length of AB is equal to root 2 units. Now we are finding the length of BC. BC is equal to root of BC. 2 minus minus 2. 2 minus minus 2 the whole square plus 3 minus minus 3. 3 minus minus 3 the whole square. This is equal to minus of minus is equal to plus. Therefore, it is 2 plus 2 the whole square which is 4 square and here also it is 3 minus of minus 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6. So, 6 square. 4 square is 16 and 6 square is equal to 36 which is equal to root of 52. We are getting root of 52. Now, third side AC. AC is equal to 3 minus minus 2 root of 3 minus minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus minus 3. 2 minus minus 3 the whole square. This is equal to 3 minus minus 2 is 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5 the whole square. Here also it is 2 minus of minus 3 which is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 square. That is 5 square is equal to 25, again 25 which is equal to root 50. It is root 50. So, we can write the approximate values. AB is equal to, AB we obtained it as root 2. The approximate value of root 2 is 1.41 and we got BC as, BC is equal to root 52 and the approximated value of root 52 is equal to 7.21. You have studied in the 8th standard itself, from the 8th standard itself, how to find the square root of a number. So, finding the square root, the approximated value is 7.21 and AC is equal to root 50. Its approximated value is equal to 7.07. Okay, we are getting the 3 values, approximated values. Now, we are checking whether the given points are the vertices of a triangle. See, we are finding AB plus BC. AB plus BC means AB is equal to 1 point. The value of AB is equal to 1.41 plus the value of BC is equal to 7.21. 7.21, adding it is 8.62. 8.62, which is greater than 7.07, means which is greater than, that is AB plus BC is greater than AC. AB plus BC is greater than AC. Now we are finding AB plus AC. AB plus AC is equal to, the value of AB is 1.41 plus AC is equal to 7.07. AC is equal to 7.07, which is equal to 8.48. 8.48, which is also greater than 7.21. That means AB plus AC is also greater than BC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. Now the third one is BC plus AC. BC plus AC is equal to, the value of BC is BC is 7.21 plus the value of AC. The value of AC is equal to, here the value of AC, it is 7.07. Adding it is 14.28, which is also greater than 1.41. That means AC plus BC. BC plus AC is greater than AB. That means sum of, that is sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. We are obtaining the result as sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side means the given points are the vertices of a triangle. Therefore, the given points are the vertices of a triangle. They form the given vertices, the points form a triangle. Now we have to check what kind of triangle it is. So we are taking the shortest sides. The shortest sides here, it is AB. AB is equal to root 2. Therefore, the length of AB square is equal to 2 units. Similarly, AC is equal to root 50. AC is equal to root 50. Therefore, AC square is equal to 50. So we are adding these two. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 plus 50, which is equal to 52, and we can find the value of, this is 52. We can find the value of BC. Now, BC is equal to root of 52. Therefore, BC square is equal to 52. That is, we are obtaining the result, that is AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. That means base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. We are getting a result such as base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore, the given is a right triangle. Therefore, the triangle is a right-angled triangle. Right-angled triangle. That is our conclusion. First of all, we found that the given points form a triangle, and hence the triangle formed is a right triangle because sum of the two sides, smaller sides, sum of the squares of the smaller sides is equal to the square of the larger side. So, it is a right triangle. Okay.